In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to integrate Calendly with Framer to enhance your project with a sleek, interactive calendar. First, make sure to have your Framer project open and ready. Identify where, within the framework of your project, you would like to add the calendar. This could be an interactive web page, a project management tool, or perhaps in an interactive presentation. The choice is yours. Once you've decided on the perfect spot for your new calendar, you'll need to make use of the Insert menu. Look along the top of your screen to find the menu item labeled Insert. We'll be heading there for the next step of this process. As soon as you've clicked on the Insert menu, a field will appear where you can search the vast template library that Framer provides. Here, you will key in Calendly, an easy task. Enter the word into the search bar, and don't forget to hit Enter. Once the system has done its magic, you'll see the Calendly component ready for you to use. Now that you've found the Calendly element, simply click on it and drag and drop it onto your canvas. You'll notice that it lands right where your mouse had placed it. Convenient, isn't it? However, you'll probably need to adjust it slightly to fit seamlessly into your design. Hold the edges of the Calendly component and drag it until it is resized to the fit you prefer. A larger calendar might be better for a more detailed view, while a smaller one will suit a minimalistic design. With your calendar in place, it's now time to start on the fun part, configuring your settings. Like all great tools, Calendly offers plenty of customization to make it truly your own. You'll find the settings for this purpose on the far right of your screen. Click to connect your Calendly account and access a world of customization settings, from color themes and typefaces to event durations and availability. Trust me, fiddling around with the configurations is a satisfying job. Once you feel you've made your Calendly component perfectly tailored to your project, it's time for the final step. Head over to the top of your screen and find the button labeled Publish. By clicking this, your integration will be made live, and voila! A brand new, fully integrated Calendly calendar adorns your Framer project. That's it for this step-by-step tutorial on integrating Calendly with Framer. Follow these simple instructions and you'll have a fantastic interactive calendar added to your project in no time. Happy designing!